And hello, folks. So we're back here on a Thursday with another beautiful day out there. Less clouds in the day, cleared off. That little front came through, bringing in some dry air. So we got a clear view there. It's looking toward north toward the Curtis Coleman Bridge from RRMC, and we thank those folks for their medical expertise and the tower cam. All right, let's go over toward Natchitoches. Had been up in Natchitoches, the historic city of Natchitoches, for a little while. Taking a little look, a little bit of a Sibley Lake up there with a clear sky. Likewise, here in Central Louisiana, beautiful day again all the way around. Nice mornings ahead. We'll be talking about that. Give you some numbers. A lot of folks are saying, "Where's the rain?" Well, unfortunately, these kind of patterns that we're having right now, you get beautiful weather. The nights are comfortable. The daytimes are warm, and there's no humidity and that kind of thing. But we're slipping into a state of drought in some locations. And so this kind of pattern, too dry and stable for rain. So it's not on the horizon either. Tropical update for you on, especially on Jerry. So radar, not showing anything here locally in Central Louisiana. We've got looks like a 0% day. Way off to the east, you see a couple of showers over in that direction, but not anywhere close to us. Back here, I'll zoom back out so there's no features in our local area. It's all to the south as we see very unstable conditions with a couple of tropical storms there. This is Priscilla, which is going to impact Baja and the southwestern states with heavy rainfall. And another developing system here. This little thing that was in the southwest Gulf of Mexico has moved inland and it's just kind of a hunk of moisture now. Could be some local heavy rain in Mexico though because of that. Maybe a little surface low attached to this area of convection and off the east coast. This is a developing system, I think. I think it's going to stay non-tropical though, influence from aloft. All right, so let's check things back home. As the Futurecast says, Friday morning back to work and school. No issues there. Mostly clear skies and a great feel to the air, as most readings will be in the mid 50s to near 60 degrees. And then Friday evening fever, we've got that forecast there coming up. No issues. Beautiful weather for Friday football here in Central Louisiana. No worries. And then we go into Saturday morning grocery shopping. No problems there either. So let's check out Tropical Storm Jerry over the next 5 days. We'll put this into motion, and you can see that it's near the northern Leeward Islands right now. We'll start that recurvature process this weekend and curve back far out into the north central Atlantic there, heading eastbound by early next week. Again, this has been kind of a common pattern this 2025 hurricane season, and we're thankful for it. Okay, so Tropical Storm Jerry, 175 miles east-southeast of the northern leewards. It is moving to the west-northwest, compass heading at 300 degrees, 18 miles an hour. Still kind of a quick mover, but a little less than some previous days. And maximum sustained wind, 65. That's up from 60 yesterday. Central pressure is about the same as yesterday, so we're not really looking at a well-organized thing here. So recurvature begins this weekend. Portions of the northern leewards will be affected by tropical storm conditions, and those watches and warnings are up for some of those locations. Slow strengthening process with Jerry becoming a hurricane this weekend now. So that's been kind of put off a little ways. All right, so let's get back home with our 7-day forecast and our 7-day numbers. Tranquility achieved here, folks. We've got beautiful nights ahead, good for stargazing. Little if any cloudiness. Daytimes are sunny. Humidity levels very low or low for this time of year. And again, the temperature readings, look at that string of 50s there Friday through Tuesday. And even where we have 60 degrees Wednesday and Thursday, there will be a mixture of 50s and 60s those mornings. We'll see some readings there holding in the low to mid 80s. There occasionally upper 80s for Friday, middle 80s and to the upper 80s there for Saturday. Sunday, add a couple of degrees, add another degree for Monday, 2 more for Tuesday. So you get the idea as high pressure aloft begins to build to the west of us and kind of ridges in, kind of moves in over us. We're back to that 90 mark there for Tuesday and Wednesday. But again, little humidity with that, and still quite warm there for next Thursday. And we need the rain, folks, but it's not in the forecast this time in your 7-day. Okay, that's it from me, Nick Mickles. To see you in the morning, and I'll see you about 5:30 tomorrow evening with my weather update there, and I'll be in the forecast center writing out that 7 day. Okay, take care. Thanks for your support for St. Weather, and hope your Friday